Further improvements, this is pretty exciting. There's another LSP that was written called Refactorex. There's another language server by Gabriel Perea. As a university project, implements a ton of awesome refactors. It's actually built with Gen LSP. It was wild to me. I'm on Discord. Some guy says, hey, I'm making my senior project. I'm using your library. It's really slick. It was unreal feeling. This is in progress. Here's just kind of a demo of from the Refactorex README of just some of the refactors. So here's one where we're converting from a shorthand anonymous function to a regular function. So here you can see highlight it, right click, expand, boom. Then here let's watch it again since it's a GIF and it's actually redoing it. Boom. Because sometimes you got those ones and you want to wrap it with a debug or whatever and it's just a little annoying. Here's another one, extract name function from an anonymous function. So here, highlights it, right click, get your code action, click, give you a name, it prompts you for a name. I want to call it item price, boom. And you can even see it saw that it's multiple clauses in the anonymous function and it makes it multiple private function clauses. He implemented a, almost use poor language there, a massive amount of these refactors. Some of them are only for a certain file. So like you might see we have like some rename ones in here somewhere. I can't find it, but those currently only work on the file, but combined with the index and everything we have, we will be able to hopefully do project-wide renames.